Umulan ng yellow guys, umulan ng ice. Grabe, ulan ng ice. First time. Tingnan nyo yung aso sa labas. Hindi yan sa amin. The one only there. Oh my God, very big eyes, guys. You hear that one, guys? It's ano with the eyes. See, it's all melted, the ice. Guys, luto tayo ng dumpling. Ang tawag dito sa Nepal is mumu. In the Philippines is dumpling. May pamangkin favorite. Diba? Yummy siya, guys. Ano siya? Chicken. And then, here you go. Ito ang ano niya, guys. Dumpling with chutney. Oh. Diba masarap? Happy tummy! Kain tayo, guys. Masarap. Oh, ito siya. Chutney. Next to, guys, ito ang ano din, snacks. Isa sa snacks dito sa Nepal. Bye for now. Amping kanunay. Na-transfer ko dito ang aking halaman. Ay, Maria. How are you all? Hopefully you're doing good. Now I transfer my plant palmyra here because in the other side is very small, the pot, and then it's growing up. That's why I transfer this side. Now I can start now my plant, guys, because it's summertime. See, look, guys, it's coming up. I don't know what is name, but as per them, this is herbal. But I don't know. I saw this one also in the Philippines. Please comment below what's the name. But as per here in Nepal, they're telling this is herbal. But I don't know what. They're telling this is herbal. But in the prayer time also, mostly the people, they are pick up this kind of flower. I'm trying to plant outside. At least during the occasion prayer time, we can pick up for this all. Yeah. Now I transfer, guys, because it's summertime. Time to plantito. Oh boy.
See that? Yeah, like it. So
Tagay more. Busy my husband, guys. He's busy. Yeah. Which one? Tomorrow na last. Tomorrow never die. Or tomorrow never end, my love. He asked me a favor, guys. We'll go somewhere. And then I already engaged. I'm engaged this time. Now I need to fix it because you know already my dog is, diba, I'm done here. This is done. Now my sneak plant, guys. I want to plant outside. But let's see if I can plant outside. And then I already transferred this area. Ay, the house work, it's never end, guys. Very cute, no? Ay, naku. Now I can adjust from this side now. Ito, guys, oh. I transfer because it's very small. And then the pot is already, ay, see, dami ko pang yan, guys. Because it's very difficult to, ay, ala, it's broke now. Oh my god, it's broken. Ano siya, guys? It's okay. Lagay natin ito. It's very sharp kasi this one. This is my stress reliever, guys. Stress. Kawala sa stress. Tanim-tanim. Ito meron, I have also this one, the color red color, guys. Now this is like a yellow one. Because she's already grown, you need to transfer in the big pot. Before very small. This is life, my life, guys, here in Nepal. Simple living, but happy. That's why my motto is, be kind and be happy all. Because God is always with us. Right, guys, whatever trouble in our lives, that is a trials. That's why God said, fight, fight, and fight. Just enjoy. Now for today, I think it's enough for today, guys, because then I need to cook our dinner. Now at least I have two changing the pot. Now this one goodbye because it's already old. This one also I will put the flower tomorrow to be continued around this one, guys. See my snake plant, guys. Ay, sorry, snake plant. Spider plant. Now, I'm done. Ready for ano. Thank you for watching. Please be kind and be happy. Love you all. Ay, mami. Guys, nag-continue ako, guys. Continue ako ng tanim ng aking mga pot. This is nice, but I don't know what is the name of this. Kita niyo ba? Purple color. I like this one. And then when they are grow, it's going down. It will bend. It's like a money plant. I just put three stick here so that it become nice. Just use my hands, guys. 3, it means I love you. Just keep it 3, guys. The rest I'm already done. Now I need to rearrange only. Diba guys? Hanging plant. There you go, guys. See? Snake plant, and then this purple, and then snake plant, and purple. I don't know what is name of this plant. And then I just add also aloe vera, and then I don't know also that name of this, but it's look pretty. Now I just keep it in this area because I need to work out again my garden. My garden, you know, already up and down, guys. Sometimes my doggy is coming there. See, it's nice. I'm planning to put flower, but right now it's summer. Again, the flower is really only to alive. Only I have this flower, guys. Oh, I will show you. This one, it's been long time for me. I think almost 2 years. Before already small. Now it's growing up. And then very pretty. This is the one I have. And then the one, I just keep it here in my Christmas. Sorry for the mess, guys. Guys, kumusta ang lahat? Hopefully everything good. Guys, o gawa tayo ng Nifali snacks. Sa Philippines, guys, ito, hindi to kakain dito sa Nepal, guys. Itong noodles na to, pwede mo to direct kainin. No need to cook, direct to the mouth. Now, nilagay na yung sa asawa ko, guys. Ingredients is carrots, cucumber, onion, coriander leaves, lemon, chili, and then direct to tummy. Happy tummy. Busog na naman si Inday. Oh. Busog na naman. Oh. Don't worry, guys. He already washed his hands last month. And then salt to taste, guys. And then what else? And then a small oil. Mustard oil. Ayan. Ready na, guys. Ang sarap nito, guys, in fairness. Yummy. Si Sophia, gustong gusto nito si Sophia, guys. Masarap.